In this video, I'll show you how to enable plugins on DeepSeek. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. If you enable the DeepSeek extension on your browser, it enhances web searches with AI-powered insights, summaries, and contextual understanding. It streamlines information retrieval, making research faster and more efficient. To install plugins on DeepSeek AI, start by opening your web browser. If you are using Google Chrome, look at the top right corner of the browser window. You will see a triple dot icon, which serves as the menu button. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, locate and click on the Extensions option. You will find an option labeled Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on this link, and the Chrome Web Store will open in a new tab. In the search bar at the top, type DeepSeek AI and press Enter. Look for the correct extension, which should have a blue icon. The extension might also display the name and details related to DeepSeek AI. On the extension page, locate the Add to Chrome button and click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you want to add the extension to Chrome. Click on the Add Extension button, and Chrome will automatically download and install it. Once the installation is complete, the extension will be integrated into your browser. After the installation, navigate back to the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You will notice a new jigsaw puzzle-shaped icon representing extensions. Click on the Extensions icon, and a small menu will appear displaying all installed extensions. Locate the DeepSeek AI extension in the list and click on it. The DeepSeek AI Assistant will then open in a side panel, allowing you to start using its features immediately. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.